Kassidile. My name is Insa. Today I'm going to be singing a mashup of different songs called Swing Fin. What good is melody? What good is music if it ain't possessing something sweet? It ain't the melody, it ain't the music. There's something else that makes the tune complete. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do-ah, 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 do-ah. It don't mean a thing, all you gotta do is sing. Do-ah, 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 do-ah. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hard. Just give that music everything you got. Oh, it don't mean nothing if it ain't got that swing. Do-ah, 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 do-ah. Swing, 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 swing. Everybody start to swing. La-dee-da, whoa, oh, oh. Now you're singing with a